Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Spectre 360. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Spectre 360 barely lasts half an hour off the charger, it's likely that the battery has degraded significantly. This is a common issue as batteries lose their capacity over time, leading to shorter usage periods. If left unaddressed, this can affect the overall performance of your device and potentially cause further complications. To perform this battery replacement, you will need a suitable screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a pair of tweezers, and of course, a new battery specifically for the HP Spectre 360. First, ensure your device is completely powered down and unplugged. Begin by carefully loosening the screws on the back panel using your screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of which screws go where as they may vary in size. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Next, locate the battery, which will be attached with screws and a connector. Remove the screws securing the battery in place. When you've done this, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard, using your tweezers if necessary to avoid touching any other components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. Replace the screws to hold the battery in place. Once everything is secure, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are properly in place and that you've replaced all screws. Finally, power on your device to check that it recognizes the new battery and is charging correctly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To avoid this issue in the future, try to keep your device updated and avoid letting the battery drain completely on a regular basis. Regular maintenance can also help prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.